In this class we will learn the theory about machine elements, seeing their concepts and applications. Let's get started. We can say that machines are equipment that use energy and work to perform a specific task or set of tasks. Machines can be manual or automatic, simple or complex. Among the manual machines, we can cite as an example the scissors, which is a simple manual machine. There are more complex manual machines, such as a grinder. Among the automatic machines, we can cite as an example the sewing machine, which is a simple automatic machine. However, mainly in the industry, we are accustomed to seeing and having contact with quite complex automatic machines. We can cite as an example the CNC machining center, or even the car. Machinery elements are mechanical components that when assembled provide movement, work, to a machine. The machinery elements have a structural function, to withstand the imposed loads, and motor, to transmit forces, that is, power, and to perform the necessary work. In general, the design of machine elements follows specific technical standards for each type of component. Among the main machinery elements are shafts, bearings, cams, springs, pulleys, belts, and gears. These components are responsible for the transmission of motion, that is, power. There are still the fastening elements, where the bolts, pins and sealing rings stand out. In this course we will learn how to design all these components with the tools specific to this in Inventor, which are the design accelerators. With the design accelerator, we can design the machine elements, thinking about their shape and function. We will also use this tool to perform structural and fatigue calculations, taking into account the operation and application of the component. In this class, we learn a theory about machine elements, seeing its concepts and applications. We also saw how we will design these components in Autodesk Inventor 2015.